It is very sad and heartbreaking that mad dog surprise dies at Portugal's Nazare. So for moving to the video, it is our request to subscribe our channel. Subscribe it now, like this video and share with friends. Let us guess, this is very sad and heartbreaking that this accident took place when he was want the surfing at the wave that was a very big and giant. Then the 47-year-old athlete from Praia, known as Mad Dog, died Thursday at the infamous Portuguese break while taking on local giant waves. It is reported that he was a brave person. He was known for his action, but so sad that he is no more in this world. A very trending tributes are running on social media about this giant wave and surfing dog. Soon we will come back with more about this topic. Subscribe our channel, like this video and share with friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.